today we're gonna make curried rice. Of course, you know the main ingredient is the curry, and nothing like my better pack. I love my better pack. All right, so we're gonna be using the curry. Here we have some garlic. We're gonna put the garlic into the pot first, and then we're gonna go in with these, the scallion and onion. We're not gonna go in with the thyme just as yet until the rice is in the pot. All right, we're gonna let the vegetable saute. Of course, you need a little oil, and we also would want to have little margarine to put in the rice to make the rice nice. All right, so we're gonna add the oil to the pot. So there's our pot. I'm gonna add a little oil, not a lot, just a little bit. All right, okay. I'm gonna be adding the curry. Then we're also gonna add the garlic. You want to stir it because you don't want this to burn. All right, I like when it has the flavor, to smell the aroma already in this kitchen. The next thing we're going to add right now is the scallion and the onion. And again, you're going to be stirring. Nice and easy. As I said, you don't want to put a lot of oil in it. You just want to saute these a little bit before you add your water. Because we're going to add water to this. You can also use your coconut milk. I don't have any right now, so I just use the water. It's just as good. But the coconut milk would make it even better. You can check out, I have a one-pot meal that I actually use the curry and I use the coconut milk. You can check out that video and try that recipe. It's absolutely delicious. You notice I continue to stir because I don't want this to burn, right? We don't want our rice, nothing in our rice to be burnt. We're just trying to get some of the curry out. All right, now we're going to add our water to this. So I boil the water and then I add it to this mixture. To this, we're going to add our rice. Then we're going to also add our thyme and butter and salt and put to cook. So we're going to put our rice in. Make sure you wash your rice, okay guys? So this is our rice. Make sure it's washed, right? And for me, I like to wash my rice like 4 or 5 times or 6 too. I want to see the water clear. We're going to add this now to the pot right here. To this now, guys, I'm going to add my butter and my thyme. Here's the thyme. I'm going to add it. You can also add your scotch bonnet pepper for those lovers of pepper, but I don't like to cook with pepper because my family does not enjoy the meal with the pepper. Sometimes I just slip one in there just for a little flavor, but for the most part I don't really keep pepper. This you remember to add your salt, so let's do a pinch of salt as well. You cover to cook, and this is about 15 minutes in. Steam it a little bit more. You'll know when it's cooked, right? You all know when rice is cooked. And there you have, this is our cooked rice, our curried rice. It didn't turn out just as I really wanted it to. It should have had a little bit more curry color to it, but I did enjoy it. But if you wanted to see something that I had a little bit more curry color, check out this video that I did. It's a one-pot meal, curried chicken and rice. Thank you guys for watching.